every day. Once again, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Let's chit chat today rather than just a one-side talk. What gave you this inspiration of coming here on a regular basis? What is inspiring you to come over here on a regular basis?
So I get a lot of positive vibes early morning. As you rightly said that if we look for negative news and on any news media, etc., in early morning, it actually don't give a good, starting to a day. But your schedule and your motivation and the good things you tell actually is helping me out in making my, first routine as the best routine. And thereafter, I am able to do other routines on time. And now it is actually becoming a habit. So my eyes open up at around 5:55, 5:58 without alarm. That is the
Great.
good part.
Good. Varun, so this morning routine has helped you to stay on course without any negativity, right? That is one good takeaway which is happening.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. And it also helps you to start the day
Yes, it helps me to
with a
start.
strong, vibrant, yes or no?
Yes, and the first step, as you rightly said, that you should be on time. So I tick that in the tick box that it actually, I've taken the step, and then I move on to the next step, and then the next step by that particular step.
Correct. So being on time becomes a routine,
Yes,
right? So being on time, that is the routine which you are now following, getting up early morning at that required time to be over here.
yes,
So this is very important. This is very important. Small incremental progress helps us to move forward, in fact. So
exactly.
what is that you now look forward to?
So I look forward to other simple 1% improvement a day towards my reading habits, towards my healthy habits, towards my having good networking, which I do. So on every sphere of my particular day, I try to improve 1% a day, and then eventually the power of compounding will come after some years. But the graph is actually going well. So I am 32 years of age, and I feel that once I go beyond 40, 45, it will actually help me out. And I'm very good fan of yours and learning a lot from you, sir.
Thank you. So good. It was wonderful chit-chatting with you early morning. And we have Kunal. Yes, Kunal? How are you today?
Sir, all well.
All
Very good
well.
morning.
So, Kunal, it's now almost a month. How is your feeling, and what is that what you are going as a change process?
Sir,
Share something with you.
similar to what Varun said, that now alarm is not required.
Great.
And पहले and मेरा तो मतलब 5:45 का अलार्म रहता तो 5:40 5:30 को ही उठ जाता वैसा हो गया. एंड पहले मतलब 7:30 बजे भी उठने का सोचता था तो कभी उठा नहीं है, मतलब ऐसा होता नहीं था 7:30 बजे भी उठ सकते थे. So now that has changed at least. So 1 month has given that change of habit that at least we can get up by 5:30 5:45 without alarm now. And other good thing is we get good 2 hours time for ourselves, so we can plan whatever we want, and at least we get that 2 hours for ourselves and we can plan.
Okay.
So and as you know that walking वाला रूटीन कार्यक्रम चल रहा है एकदम बढ़िया अभी, तो वो ब्रेक नहीं दिया है. आपके क्लास को 2 ब्रेक दिया था मैंने, एक तो जानबूझ के दिया था बिकॉज बૈરા ने કીધું કે ભાઈ આખો દિવસ નહીં मैं ठीक છે एक દિવસ ब्रेक करिए मैं કીધું.
Okay.
But then for walk I went and at least वो walk वाला रूटीन में ब्रेक नहीं हुआ है.
Great, great.
that is going on consistent. So that consistency has developed a little bit and discipline थोड़ा develop हुआ है जो पहले तक नहीं था. मतलब ये दो चीज थोड़ा develop होते हुए दिख रहे हैं मुझे, which is a good sign.
Good, good. Very nice, very nice. So one good thing which happened was that now without the alarm you are able to get up, which earlier it was not possible.
Right.
So that snoozing thing went away. Second
Right.
was that you started to go for a walk on a regular basis.
Right.
Superb. I love this. I really love this. And now, what is your age? Because Varun is 32. What is your age, Kunal?
I am 39.
39. So 30s wale hai. Good. So good that you are continuing on this particular journey, and I promise you I will be here almost on a daily basis, unless and until there is extreme case. Otherwise, definitely. And now we have Vinod Bhai over here. Vinod
sir,
Bhai,
1 minute.
good morning,
Sir,
sir.
एक minute.
Kem cho?
Sir, 1 more minute. So
Yes,
thank
sir.
you very much for this. We have not seen anyone doing this in the life, and this is almost a very good change in our life with help of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, definitely. Yes, Vinod Bhai, kem cho?
Bas, good morning, sir. Bhau majama. First class.
Majama.
Yes, because of you only.
વિનોદભાઈ તમને અહીંયા આવવાનું શું કામ મન થાય છે
નહીં,
અર્લી મોર્નિંગ?
ના એવું છે કે લાઈફમાં જે લાસ્ટ જે બ્રેક આવ્યો
થોડુંક
ને,
અવાજ નથી આવતું, થોડું માઇકની બાજુ થોડુંક ઊંચેથી બોલશો પ્લીઝ?
એક મિનિટ હા. સોરી. હા, લાસ્ટ 2 વર્ષ પહેલા તો હું સાહેબ I used to get up at 5:30 in the morning,
ઓકે,
go for yoga, eat, and then home. And last year there was a break in my life due to corona, and after that I get up by 7:30, 8 o'clock. છેલ્લા 1 મહિનાથી જોયું સાહેબ કે ધીરે ધીરે કરતા I'm trying and attending and without miss I ઉઠી જાઉં છું ત્યારે, અને જે સવારે 2 કલાક મળે છે એમાં ઘણું બધું સાહેબ જો વોક છે નતું ચાલુ પાછું ચાલુ કરી નાખ્યું ડ્યુ ટુ, અને I am enjoying still.
સો જે રૂટીન તૂટી ગયેલી એ ફરીથી રૂટીન ફરીથી ડેવલપ થઈ રહી છે અને ફીલ ગુડ ફેક્ટર છે.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
રાઈટ. સો તમારે જે પણ યોગા કરવાનું છે તો સવારના જે 7 વાગે ઉઠવાની બદલે
Yes.
થોડું વહેલું ઉઠાઈ જાય છે તો ફરીથી that yoga and
Yes.
everything is been done.
Yes.
Right.
અત્યારે તો સાહેબ સવારે એક્સરસાઇઝ બી થઈ જાય છે અને ધીરે ધીરે એમ એક મારી ઈચ્છા પણ કરી શકું છું.
સરસ. અને છોકરાઓ છે તો
છે.
જસ્ટ તમારી એજ જાણવાની ઈચ્છા છે.
ચોક્કસ બધા મને કે પેલા સિનિયર સિટીઝન તો સાહેબ છું.
કેટલા? 69. વાવ. સો તમારા કરતા 50% એજ વાળા પણ અહીંયા છે. સો ઇટ્સ વેરી ગુડ કે જો it is not that આપણી એજ is not a criteria for doing something.
Correct. Very correct.
Are you agreeing to this or not, sir?
Sure.
Because I believe that ઉપર જવાનો ટાઈમ તો ઓલાએ નક્કી કર્યો છે તો એ આપણા હાથમાં નથી, પણ આપણે જે આપણા હાથમાં છે is what we can do right now today and on a continuous basis rather than વિચાર કરીએ કે મારી એજ થઈ ગઈ કે મારી એજ નથી અત્યારે. You know, people say કે you cannot meditate, so એના માટે you cannot be spiritual, તો એના માટે 60 પછી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું, યુ નો, કે 70 પછી રિટાયર થયા પછી અમુક એક્ટિવિટી કરશું. સો આ બધી ચીજ Is it correct? No, right?
Very correct. Correct.
Right. So koi
Even
pan time is the right time. That is what I believe. Okay, it is nothing to do with our age. Age is just a number. That's it. ઓકે કારણ કે આપણને જે મન થાય છે, જે આપણને ઈચ્છા થાય છે, એ આજે કરવાનું મન થાય છે અને કાલે કરશું, પરમ દિવસે કરશું. ઓકે, કોરોનાએ બધા સાથે જે ગડબડ કરી છે, it is good thing and it is bad thing also. Everything has a different effect, positive and the negative. So let's understand what is the positive side of the game, that it has given us time to think, time to actually reconcile our book of life, okay, what we are doing and where we want to go. We were just into that rat race routine which went through day in day out. સવારના ઉઠવાનું, તૈયાર થવાનું, ભાગવાનું, ઓફિસે જવાનું અને પાછું ઓફિસેથી આવીને ખાઈ પી ટીવી જોઈને પાછું સૂઈ જવાનું. That was the routine જે બની ગયેલું હતું. અને that routine was not a good routine. We were knowing that this was not a good routine, but that routine went up and it made a habit out of this, all these things which are going on. And then suddenly there was a lockdown. So people really enjoyed that first lockdown. You know, it was a paid holiday for everyone. And wow, it is like when you go to the school and you are just waiting for heavy rains to come in and the floods coming in, and that's the key thing for the child कि आज स्कूल बंद होना चाहिए, बस पानी भर जाना चाहिए, हम लोग स्कूल में छुट्टी मिलना चाहिए. And that was that feeling, wow feeling कि गवर्नमेंट ने, you know, मोदी साहब ने लॉकडाउन ये कर दिया and now we are sitting at home. घंटी बजाओ, चिल्लाओ, मजा करो. And it was a holiday for everyone. So nobody was giving a thought ke what is going to happen next. But that enjoyment moment was there. Yes. And then suddenly in the initial phase of things, you are actually not knowing what is happening because nobody knew what was happening. In fact, I would say even today, people are not knowing what exactly is going on. Now, there are certain things in life. Believe me, there are certain things in life which you don't need to know. Like I said, the one habit I stopped since the last few years was the habit of reading the newspaper. I was crazy about reading the newspaper. You know, 45 minutes to 1 hour on the table along with my breakfast. Okay, and I used to go through each and every page. One paper khatam, dusra paper. And I really am fond of reading. Okay, so this is one good habit. But then what I did was, what I changed, not the reading habit. The reading habit, I love it, right? Because I love to learn something new or at least get to know something. Okay, whether it is from my field or not from my field, but I wanted to understand something new. So that reading habit was there since some time. Okay, and then I stopped my newspaper. But what I did not do was, I continue the reading habit with good books of good authors, and that actually helped me move forward in a different direction altogether. Now, is this not good? I have not stopped my reading habit. I am not telling anyone to stop anything. But think about it. Was reading newspaper worth it? Maybe. How much? Maybe 2%, 5% news are good. Fine. तो 5% okay. नहीं पढ़ा तो भी क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Because otherwise also people are going to tell you ये हुआ, ये हुआ, ये हुआ. So in the day, somebody is going to tell you And now though what is happening is WhatsApp has become a nuisance, because everybody will forward fatafat. I should be the first one to forward wala thing happening, right? So news are going and coming in like it is being dumped to us. Now, are all the news so important? Practically no, right? But we still go on watching the videos, watching, reading the news, whatever is being forwarded to us. It doesn't make sense to us at all. Doesn't make sense to us at all. But we still do that. Why? We don't know. Practically, we don't know why we are doing this. But now it has become a habit. अगर एक दिन भी मोबाइल बंद हो गया तो we go hyper. Oh my God! Tell me one thing. अगर दुकान बंद हो गई, ऑफिस बंद हो गई, फैक्ट्री बंद हो गई और लाइफ इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, तो अगर मोबाइल बंद हो गया तो भी क्या होने वाला है? यस, you will not get the login link. That is one part. So you will not be able to come over here. But what I am trying to say is, फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Believe me, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. And that is why I tell everyone to not touch the mobile for the first 1 hour. That is actually going to help you detox. This word detox, when you are smoking too much, तो detox, right? तो वो जो detox है, तो 1 hour not to touch the phone. क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला? क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला? सब लोग को खाली गुड मॉर्निंग ही भेजना है ना, क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है? नहीं भेजा, क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है? अच्छा, what is going to matter if you are not going to send a good morning message to the people you want to? कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ने वाला. So it is just one more message. Yes, you can stay in touch. यार कभी कभी तो आज एक काम करो, आप आपके दोस्त को फोन करो and do a good conversation with them. Call your friend, call your family member. Just बात करने का मन किया, चलो let's talk. Spend 1 hour on calling people whom you have not even called for last 1 year. You are in touch with them, but you have not called them for the last 1 year. કેમ છો કેમ નહીં પૂછવા માટે મેં ફોન કર્યો. That's it. And see the happiness you are going to get rather than sending that good morning message. Is it worth it? Seriously speaking, is it worth it? Practically no. Yes, you stay in touch, it is fine, not a problem. But I broke this habit too. Every day morning I understood that I am wasting more than 1 hour of my time in just forwarding the message and saying thank you, and forwarding the message and saying thank you. I get more than 2,500 message on a daily basis, and at times it is crazy. So this one instrument, now consciously I am now stopped using it for my betterment. Simple as that. Stopped using it for my betterment. Good morning message not needed. Instead of that, why not I call one of my friend, एक phone call to one of my friend who is long lost. Group है, school का group बन गया, it is there. फैमिली का ग्रुप बन गया, इट इज देयर. लेकिन किसी से भी हम लोग बात नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? पता नहीं. अभी जो बात करने का, जो चिट चैट करने की जो अर्लियर मजा आ रहा था, वो हम भूल गए हैं. हम लोग बात नहीं कर सकते. शर्म आती है, प्रैक्टिकली शर्म आती है. नाउ we face some challenges in our life. We cannot talk about that, and that is why There are so many suicides which are happening because we are afraid to talk to people, because that habit of talking is gone. We cannot talk to a family member. Believe me, we have this. And just 2 days prior ka, I'll give you an example. My wife and my daughter is into um, uh, the food stuff, cooking stuff and delivering and all that. And my daughter made some mistake while cooking, and things were going wrong. The deadline was there, sab kuch tha, and she panicked. And then the second one panicked, and then everybody panicked, and things were going haywire. So the best thing, which when the things go haywire, is to shut down everything. Just shut down everything. Wait for 5 minutes before even speaking out something. Wait for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, it was realized that, boss, things have gone wrong. Okay, so let us start working on the improvement side of the things which have gone wrong. And within the next 15-20 minutes, everything was right. The schedule was down by 20 minutes, but then it was being caught. Okay, and then the delivery and everything was done smoothly. And this incident took place after almost 9 months. But the best part of this was, after dinner, okay, we all three were sitting and chit-chatting for almost 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes we were sitting and chit-chatting. What went wrong? Why it should not repeat? And how can we improve on this? And it was a healthy discussion, that while we were sitting and discussing, so many good ideas took place. The blame game was stopped. Okay, you did this, and this you should have done, blah, blah, blah. So what happens is, there are times when things can go wrong, and it will go wrong. We are human beings. But the best way is to chit chat. Yes. And improve the communication, rather than मैं नहीं बात करूंगा, ये तेरा मिस्टेक था. Wow. Is it going to solve any problems? Practically no. Seriously. But that healthy discussion which we had gave such an insight of what not to do and what to do. And that actually helped us improve and build strong bonding between everyone. Now, the choice is yours. Whether you will do the chit chat and bond with the people around you, or you will just say, no, you are wrong, I am right. Think about it. So it is very important to communicate. It is very important to give a phone call and say, hi, how are you? I am missing you. Okay. And that brings the inner bond between ourselves. Rather than, नहीं यार, कौन, उसने तो मेरे को लास्ट 4 साल में एक भी बार फोन नहीं किया है, तो why should I call up? That ego comes into picture. Our ego, that we should not call, they should call us. छोटा बड़ा वाला कार्यक्रम. At my age, if I call up someone who is at age 20, now you will say, यार मैं उससे बात क्या करूं, right? But at least give a courtesy call. Hello Varun, how are you? How are you doing? How is your work going on? Something. And automatically you will start to converse that phone call is going to be worth it. Believe me, a phone call is worth it rather than sending the message. Message sending is good enough. But today, you should be calling up at least, I will say, 3 of your friends or a relative and say, hello, how are you? And that is going to change. That सामने वाला will say, यार बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करते. That is going to give you your good feeling. आपका डोपामिन जो ब्रेन का है वो अच्छे फीलिंग में आ जाएगा. Now is this not very good? Depression गया, that good feeling came into picture. Depression क्या है? It is our ego which is stopping us from doing some things. Simple as that. That is the basic understanding of depression. Depression जैसा कुछ होता ही नहीं. Okay, it is our inability to do something. Because our ego is more than somebody telling you, boss, ये कर लो, ये अच्छा है आपके लिए. अरे वो कैसे मेरे को बोल सकता है? वाला attitude which is going on. So today the best thing is, okay, utilize your 10-15 minutes of your time to call up someone and say, hello, how are you? Are you doing well? And listen to them. And that is going to help you way forward. That यार अच्छा लगा बात करते. Is it not what you want? That good feeling which comes in. So your routine which is there. Varun, age 32, CA, okay, wants to come over here because he got his routine right, positive feeling. Kunal, age 39, he wants to be over here because it gives sense of discipline. Vinod Bhai, age 69, who had, because of the corona, his routine got disrupted, but he was able to get back his routine. And when he wakes up, he can do his yoga and all that. So is this not a good feeling? Now we have Dr. Vardhan, who is been here for quite some time, and Nitin is also there. So thank you all for being over here today. One thing you should all be doing is call up someone who you have not spoken since the last 3 months, 6 months, maybe 4-5 years also. Call them up and talk to them. How are you, dear? He will be under stress and he will not be able to talk to you, but just speak and see the difference. One thing you can do is make someone happy that you have called them. So this is Mayur Sampath signing off. Love you all, because we are 1 month in this particular chit chat group and I am loving it. So this will continue, right? I'll be there every day morning 6 o'clock. It was lovely knowing Varun. Kunal has been here for quite some time, and I know others also. But it was lovely knowing you, Varun. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow, 6 o'clock. Bye-bye. Take care. And don't forget to do a phone call. 1 phone call. I would say, why not 3? Call them. Take care. See you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.